I'm John Champion, and sitting alongside me up here in our lofty perch in the commentary box is Jim Begley. And now a moment to cherish as the national anthem rings out. Let's take a look then at the two teams. We're now all set. He didn't have any luck with the through ball there.
Look, if he wants that ball to make it, then he has to pass it with a bit more zip. I think he knew as soon as it left his boot, it was going to be cut out. Just lacked a little more power.
Nastavlja se napad naše reprezentacije. Džeko! Gol! Gol! Džeko! 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 Diamantu! 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 Bosna vodi! Bosna vodi! Bosna vodi! 1-0 za Bosnu i Hercegovinu.
Didn't have to wait long for the first goal. Dejaga. Lulic. And that's come to nothing. Bosnia have possession again. Foul, a fairly easy decision for the referee. Dejaga plays it long. It's a threatening through ball. And he plays it to the keeper. And that's been intercepted. Oh, that's a neat escape. Opportunity maybe for a shot here. Poor ball that's intercepted. Pumps it upfield. Here's Dzeko. Nekunam.
That's just great pace to get back in position from Dzeko.
Pumps it upfield. He's waiting here. And the ball's out of play. Nekunam. No, possession lost. He couldn't get it cleanly, and it's a foul. Surely! Well within his range, he's onside. Pjanic. The referee is checking his watch. The whistle goes to signal the midway point of this game.
Well, that certainly pleased the fans, and the players are definitely happy with that scoreline. The question is now, can they protect it?
Just the one goal separates them then. It's 1-0. Iran getting us underway for this second half. Bosnia have a free kick for that. And he crosses it. Too long and out of play. Now Dzeko. Iran have possession again. Jagger. Quickly closed down.
I suppose you have to acknowledge some decent defending, but the keeper should have been tested.
This goes for a throw-in.
Well, they're controlling the game really well now, but they're just not able to find that incisive pass.
Spahic is all over it. Dejaga. Foul there, no question about it.
Well, it's a little further out than he'd like, so he might just consider his options with this free kick.
That was certainly struck well enough. Lulic. Here's Dzeko. Lulic. Vital interception there. Pumps it upfield. Lulic has a hold of him. Could it be a chance? Shoots. Hits the crossbar. Cleared away from immediate danger.
Well, I think it's that time when you have to commit numbers forward in hope of grabbing an equaliser. I mean, defenders need to take that risk too now.
Pjanic knocks it forward. Dzeko spotted the ball being played and did well to reach it, but that's about as good as it got. This is the last of their substitutions.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy.
Looking to receive the ball, break could be on. So that's it. It's all over. This could be put down as a victory for a set of defenders who all kept their focus for the full 90 minutes.
Well, once they got that goal, I just thought they were very dogged in seeing the game through. And that clean sheet, you know,